Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video guys, I'm gonna go through everything that is happening on the global market. We're gonna discuss SPY, QQQ, the US 10 years yield and the oil market. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so like I said, we're gonna discuss the major indicators that are giving us information about what is happening right now in the world, guys. There is a war, you're aware of that. So inflation is coming, guys. So if you want to have information about inflation, you check the US 10-year yield. Like I said in my last video, guys, the US 10-year yield is right now close to 2%, guys. So this is a good indicator for inflation. So traders are pricing that inflation is increasing. Once again, guys, technical analysis applies totally here. And we have a resistance, guys, at 187, and we are breaking out above that. All right, guys, if we have a clear breakout, I can tell you that it's not going to be looking good and that it would generate a strong move down on the global market. Now, oil, quickly, guys, same thing. This is the long-term view, guys, weekly chart. I'm going to do SPY right now, but this is important, guys, because once again, if you want to have information about the global market, you need to have information about the global economy and you need to check the some major indicators. Today, what is important is inflation and of course commodity prices, which is related. And those two assets are giving us good information. So oil has broken out, guys, above 95. I gave you, by the way, that in my Discord, guys. And right now it is just pulling back. But guys, I don't believe we're not gonna go higher. All right, I think we're gonna go higher. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be good for inflation, it's not gonna be good for many things. But the very interesting question is, what is Jerome Powell gonna do? The Fed is gonna do about the rate decision, because you guys understand that there is on one hand the war is creating inflation, which pushes the Fed to increase the pace of the rate hike, and on the other hand, it's impacting the global growth on the downside. It has a negative impact on the global growth. So if the growth is not here, we need to have lower rates. So the Fed will decide in which direction they will go. And this is key, guys. Even if there is a war, if the Fed is accommodative and giving low interest rates, the market is going to be bullish, right? So this is very important. I don't know what's going to happen. Of course, I'm just giving you some indicator you can have a look at. Now, let's go back to SPY, guys. So in my last video, I said that, as always, guys, I'm saying that 405 is, I think, the bottom. I'm not sure we're going to reach it, but I think we will. I think some of you misunderstood just by reading the titles, but guys, don't read only the titles. Watch the video, because I've been, guys, bearish on the SPY for the past 2 months. And those who are with me on Discord know that, because you see the trades I'm taking. They are bearish trades, of course. I, by the way, managed to take a short position here, but it was on QQQ. I'm going to show you later. But right now, what is going to happen here? So we can see that bears are in control. Okay, definitely. We are in the move down. This move down looks incomplete. 405 looks like it is a possible bottom. Not saying we're going to go there, but if we go there, it's a very nice buying area. For now, we are still developing on the downside. I think we're missing one wave, guys. So I think we would go to 405. Maybe this week, I hope not, but this is a scenario. But the positive thing, guys, and it was spotted very nicely by a Discord member, is that this move is happening for now on decreasing volume. Okay, you can see we are here moving lower, but on decreasing volume. So let's see if we keep grounding lower on decreasing volume, which is exactly what we have before reversals. So if we do see that, it would look very good. On top of that, we have the MACD going higher, RSI going higher. So RSI will probably come to bottom. So maybe we're going to have an exaggerated divergence, like it was spotted once again on my Discord by a member. So very good analysis. But the MACD might give us a bullish divergence, which means the market is making lower lows and the momentum is making higher lows. So let's see. But if we have a bullish divergence, lower volume, and we come to 405, guys, it's a massive buy, all right? And I'm going to buy here whatever happens, because I'm short. So I'm going to buy back my short if we come here, which doesn't mean we cannot go lower, but the only signal that will tell me that the market is really entering a stronger correction is if we arrive on 405 with very big volume. All right, if this happens, it will not be looking good, but I don't think it can happen for now. I think the situation is very much under control, and let's see what the Fed is going to tell us. Triple Q, guys, same situation. So I'm still having my drawings for last time. So Triple Q, guys, so as you can see, we moved lower. I personally took a short position here, guys, around 335. Those who are with me in Discord know that I had already a short position on the SPY. I took profit here on S Triple Q, and I reloaded here. All right, and I was of course short since here, guys. So I took this move down, I took profits here, then I didn't have any position here, and here I took a short position on Thursday, or yeah, Thursday probably. So right now I'm short here, and I'm not gonna take profits too early, guys, because I think we can go to 305. This is my target, just like for SPY. This is the equivalent level. And once again, guys, volume, very important, guys. We need to pay attention to the volume. For now, it's a decreasing volume, which means that bulls will easily make a reversal happen. All right, if we have increasing volume, it's not going to be easy for bulls. So here we had an increasing volume, so this is telling us that we're in the middle of something, so probably going to go to 305. This is unfortunately my preferred scenario, but let's see. Hopefully I'm going to be wrong, because it's never good to see the global market tanking. Once again, for AMC, GME, we need the global market to be back. That's why I'm making these updates, guys, because it's very important. You need to pay attention to what is happening here. And once we reach that bottom, hopefully, guys, the bull market is going to start again. And what is interesting is to know if you have here two different options. You can buy low, all right, around the 305, or you can wait, because you don't want to get trapped in here if we go lower, and wait for a breakout to happen on the upside. And this is what I'm going to be discussing, guys, in my webinar, which is a free webinar. So just click on the link in the description of this video. It's on March 16th, 12 p.m. Eastern time, guys. So come there massively, guys. It's going to be very interesting. I'm going to be discussing what is the different strategies you can use to manage a swing trading portfolio. I'm doing that for Flowbank, which is because I know the CEO assistant, which is the wife of my cousin, guys. So this is the little story behind that. And they invited me to be a speaker. So of course I said yes, because I think it's very interesting to spread this information to as many people as possible. So guys, come there, subscribe to this link. It's going to be very interesting for you. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I'm slightly bearish for this week. 307 and 405 are my levels for the bottom of this correction. We need to check what is happening on the volume. We need to check what is happening on the volatility. We can monitor the US 10-year yield. If we start to move above 2 for more than 1 or 2 days, guys, it will not be looking good. We can monitor as well the oil market. If we come back to 95, guys, it's a massive buy to me. And if we start to fly, guys, it's of course not good for the market, because it's creating inflation. And this is once again just a forecast of traders. It's not directly the inflation, it's just what traders think. So it's a speculation on the future inflation, but it's very good information to add up to the analysis we're doing on the rest of the market. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.